Welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with DIYs, and today I decided to do my introduction video, being that I have already made like 45 videos and I haven't done an introduction of myself as to what I do, what I have done, and why do I think the information that I have is good for you. In '94, I was let go from my job. I study work processor computer specialist, and I was hired in this company, and it just, things weren't going very well until they said that my position had been eliminated. So I was let go. I had two kids, my son Kevin and my daughter Cassandra. They were still little. I decided to apply for unemployment, and I received unemployment for almost a year, where I started looking for a job. And being that my mom knew that I really like cleaning and I always had to have everything nice and organized, she showed me an ad in a newspaper saying that they were looking for a housekeeper. So she said, you know, since you haven't been able to find employment and you want to spend more time with your kids, why don't you go to an interview? And I did go to an interview with this lady up in Westlake. It's about maybe 30 minutes up the grade. And the lady loved to talk. So she did most of the talking, in which she basically told me what she was expecting. And my only response was, you know, I'm here to do the job in your house, so I know how to do it my way, but I need to learn to do it your way so that you're happy with my work. So she hired me right on the spot. I must have worked for her for about 7 years, 6 to 7 years. So then after that, I decided that I wanted to do more with the house cleaning, because I was growing in the training in how to do stuff and how to make beds and all that good stuff. So I decided to let her know that, you know, I'm sorry, but if you can't allow me to come to your house with another person, I'm not going to be able to help you. So by then, I started my own house cleaning business, and I made all the mistakes that you do when you don't have anybody helping you. I got to where I had 5 groups of people, 5 groups, 2 people in each crew, and I was doing really, really well. My son in 2010, he went into the Marines right out of high school, and so he spent 4 years in high school. When he came back, he said, "Hey, Mom, I don't know what to do with my life. I don't know if I want to go back into the Marines. I don't know what I want to do. So can you let me work for you while I decide?" So I said, "Of course." And I didn't let him come with me to work, because I knew he worked with me all through high school. So he knew how particular I was and how I wanted to make my clients happy. So he came to work for me. After 4 years of that, I felt like my back was not doing well. I'm left-handed, so I was doing a lot of work with my left hand. So I went to the doctor, and the doctor said that I had chronic pain. So at that point, I told my son that I couldn't do house cleaning anymore, that I wanted to sell the business. And I noticed that he got sad, but he said, okay. So he went home, and like 2 or 3, over the week, that was on Friday, and over the weekend, he came up to me, and he said, "Well, why don't you sell me your business, and I can give you a percentage, and you can still be the face of the business." So we agreed on me getting 25%. So at that point, I started only helping. I wasn't doing any cleaning anymore, unless somebody will call in sick, then I will go take their place. But I was doing mainly, I was doing bookkeeping, calling the clients, sending a little gift here and there to my clients to just appreciate what they're hiring us, just a little thank you gift. So I was responsible of all that. And that was leaving me a lot of time in between. So I started doing little projects, DIY projects. Right around 2015, I started doing little things and selling them. But in April of last year, I decided to open a little store. And I used to do everything personalized and customized It was a little customized boutique that I had. I used to I bought me a sublimation machine and a heat press, and I bought the Cricut. And I was doing like t-shirts, aprons, hoodies. And then when I got the sublimation machine, then I started doing like, coffee mugs, tumblers, water bottles, pillows, mouse pads, blankets, and a lot of more things that can be sublimated. So as I opened my store, I started gaining clients, and I was happy. I mean, I was spending my time there making special things for people. For me, it's very important that everything that I do is going to make someone happy. So for me to make a coffee mug with a picture of a doggy that passed on, and I mean, for me that was like, that this is going to make her feel good. So that's what the way that I feel. Then I met someone who introduced me to the CBD and told me what to do for my chronic pain. I started using it. So due to that, I started doing videos on how to make, salts, bath bombs, and all these different things that you can do with CBD that will help you with your body ache and chronic pain, and any pain for, when you work out, or, different kinds of pain. So if you want to know more about the items that I have, almost everything that I make a video on, I put it in my website. I've been a little behind on that, but I gotta get back. The name of my website is Mommy's Marketplace. The reason why I put marketplace is because I don't have a niche. I don't have one thing that I do. I have several things that I do. I also sell the Hanes line, and I sell the Champion line. So by you going to my website, you're gonna be seeing the items that I make, and a lot of those items I already have videos. And so the goal for this channel is for me to share with you my experiences and show you the steps so that it doesn't take you as long as it took me to do it on my own, and going through the bumps and coming back and hitting back forward. But one thing I really have to tell you is that for me, it's been so rewarding. Not only because I make someone happy, but with that I make money, I do what I like. And for me, it's all been about self-employed. Find what you like and make your hobby into a business. And that's very, very doable. All the time, in all the experience that I have in the last 5 years, I have helped two ladies start their house cleaning business, and you know what? They have accomplished in 3 years what it took me 20 years. And for me, that is just so fulfilling that I'm able to do that. All the videos that you see from me at the end or in between is going to show you where to get it, how much is going to cost to make it, how much is your profit, and how much you can sell it for, in case you decide to use it as a business. If not, then you can always make it for you and your friends and the people you know. I advertise on Instagram, on Facebook. I go to networking groups, and that's how I get my clients. If you have any other questions, please contact me. Follow me on Facebook on my page. The name of my page is Mommy's Designs CA for California, and you can send me an instant message. If there's something in the videos that is not answering you what you need, I will be more than happy to help you. If you want us to do a FaceTime or something every once a week for, I don't know, half an hour at no cost, I will be willing to help you. I mean, for me, it's to share what I know and help someone else grow and do what they want to do. Please make sure to leave a comment down below, and if there's something that you want me that you want a video for that I haven't done, and if I know how to do it, I will go ahead and do it for you. I will appreciate if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my videos, share them. That's gonna really help me so that I get to a point where I can monetize from these, and I can be able to give this 100%. Don't be shy. Send me a message or send me an email to momisacosta63@gmail.com, and we can talk that way until you find what you really want and you're able to jump all those steps that I did and nobody told me how. So that's all for me. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay safe, and thank you so much. See you soon.